Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I got a little treat for you today. Want to show you something that I got in for the GR Corolla and something that's going to be getting put on very shortly. But I just thought I would give you a quick look at what it's going to be. It's going to be an enhancement and a continuation of something that I've already started. So let's get right to it. So quite a while ago, I got a front lip splitter from Extreme online store, and they have been working on the side skirts, and look what has come in. So here they are, carbon fiber, come in a gloss twill. This is the only style they come in, so but this is a direct fit for the GR Corolla. They are even notched right here. And this is a little bit different here. The smaller notch right here goes up under the front. And I'll go ahead and bring this around, and then we'll show you. So this is designed attach right underneath. This will just give you an idea. Just like that. And down to the back. So should look very sharp stepping down from the OEM piece. As you can see, it comes pre-drilled, and they do provide screws and some 3M tape to attach that to. So kind of exciting. So here is the passenger side piece right here. So, and then I'll show you. So this is what it comes with. So a bag of screws, and then a roll of tape for each side. Double stick tape. And that is optional if you want to use it or not, but don't think you have to. I did use it on my front lip. After the fact, I don't feel like I necessarily had to. But I think the screws will do more than enough job, but I'll probably go ahead and apply that and then let the screws kind of suck it up in there. So that is the next thing though to go on. To start to tie this all together. On the side skirts, as I'm getting ready to install these, I just wanted to show you what this looked like underneath. So, and this is just a complete flat piece here, but here at the end, right in front of the rear wheel, there's this divot, and that's what this piece right here lines up with. So literally right in this corner right here, it sucks right into this corner. This does, to line up. And then this little piece right here, right there on the front, does the same thing. There's literally a small little indent right there. and that's where this piece will go. So super simple. What you want to do though is you'll want to go ahead and obviously clean this if you're going to use the the double-sided tape. You want to clean that really well, and then go ahead and wipe this down before you apply the tape. Do a final wipe with some alcohol. Clean this off and then wipe it with alcohol on the underside. And then if you have a couple people, you can go ahead and use these and literally line it up, and you can actually probably do it by yourself because you can get this started and then just line this edge up right here with this piece and just attach it down. And once you get it attached, then you can go ahead and apply your screws. So pretty easy. Literally shouldn't take you more than about 10 minutes or so per side. And there we have it. Here's the right side, all tapped up. Self-tapping screws. This was really easy, guys, with the two humps that I pointed out to you on the back and the front of it to align it. Boy, it just it went right into place, and then just going right down the line and putting the screws in. I couldn't have asked for anything simpler. Look at that. That just looks fantastic. I literally had to do nothing for the side skirts, but literally clean underneath and prep it, and then attach it and put in the screws. It was super simple. So anyway, guys, I appreciate your support. Please like, subscribe if you haven't. And until next time, we'll see you down the road.